Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing these two amazing new releases by NG models, two JET2 Boeing 757-200s. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, the two models are registered G-Lsaa, which actually flew to Turkey on last year, and G-Lsab. And seeing as my birthday was coming up, I couldn't think of a better time to get these models, so I can't wait to unbox them for you guys. So first, let's have a look at G-Lsaa. So, first, looking at the box. It's quite a nice box with lots of combination of colours from what JET2 have. It's nothing that really stands out, but it does a good job and it's quite bold, so I like it. So without further ado, now let's unbox the model. So, now here's the model in all its glory, which you could kind of say, but there is a stand and landing gear to go with this model which make it look even better, so I'm going to be applying them next. So, here's now the end products of G-Lsaa, and I must say, it's an absolutely stunning model and portrays the real aircraft so well. I absolutely love it. And one of my favourite parts has to be the engines. They're just so detailed and intricate. But sadly in real life, this aircraft is meant to be scrapped within the next month, and this is no surprise with it being over 35 years old, but it's been a great stallion for all that time. It's now time that we moved on to G-Lsab, the other 757 we'll be unboxing. The box of this model is pretty much the same as the other one, just with a couple more different colour coordinations, but nonetheless it's still a brilliant box. So, it's now time to unbox the model. So, here it is, of course without its landing gear and stand, which I'll get to in a moment. So now here is the model in all its glory, and I must say it's absolutely brilliant, and NG have hit the nail on the head once again here. It's a superb model. Of course, G-Lsab is also being rumoured to be retired very soon, with a staggering age of 35.6 years old, so it's no surprise JET2 are getting rid of them, but as stated before, they've been absolutely brilliant and a workhorse of the JET2 fleet. So, it's now time to put the two models side by side and admire them in all their glory. So guys, all in all, I'd completely recommend buying these models, and although they may be pricey, they are absolutely brilliant and would look amazing in your bedroom. So, without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!